What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, Rosette Spearban posted on Instagram their cute photo of her boyfriend Nadek. The NY couple lot of fun together after they go back in Thailand. After the 10 days of the vacation, Rosette Spearban captioned it, Golden Hour, spectacular. Nadek commented to the post and said, stop by Neso every day, which means the my couple's trip was in swimming. In 10 days vacation, guessing that they were so happy. But today, the my couple is now back to Thailand together. Mami Mika uploaded that finally they're together having meal after the deck was went to the sports club. Mommy Makeup caption it, full and delicious lunch. The aunt of Nadek was also said that lunch of the day will come back home, taking mom to eat at Northeastern food. When said for staying out of town for 10 days, miss that sometime. As you can see, the family was so happy.